Level 1, the young guy. You're 17, maybe 18. You've watched the men in your village your whole life. The way they walk, the way a room goes quiet when they enter. You want that. You've done small things, held a package, kept your mouth shut, run an errand at 2 a.m. without asking what was in the bag. Now someone vouches for you. There's a ceremony, old words, a saint's image, a pin that draws blood from your thumb. You repeat phrases that have been spoken in Calabrian dialect for over 100 years. You are now a Picciotto Liscio, a smooth young man. The bottom, you don't carry a gun yet, you watch, you wait. You do exactly what you're told, and you do it without being twice. If you get arrested, you say nothing. If you say something, you stop existing. That's not a metaphor. Level 2, the cheating boy. You've proven you can be trusted with silence. Now you're trusted with action. Violence, when the order comes, is part of the job description. You don't decide when. You don't decide who. You execute. You might be a capo giovane now, responsible for passing orders down to the younger Picciotti below you, or a puntaiolo, the knife expert, which means what it sounds like. You are the machinery. The organization is the engine. You're not yet in the room where decisions get made. You're the door. Level 3, Camorra member. You have your own soldiers now, a small group of men who answer to you. You run a corner of an operation, collections, distribution, enforcement. Money moves through your hands before it moves upward. You have standing. At a funeral, older men acknowledge you. Your wife notices the difference. Your children are growing up in a house that doesn't ask where the money comes from. You are inside the società minore, the minor society. You function, you produce, and you are completely expendable if you become a liability. Level 4, Santista, initiate of La Santa, the secret within the secret. La Santa is a secret society within the Ndrangheta, a secret society within a secret society. The men below you don't know it exists. You were told only after years of demonstrated loyalty and only in whispers. You have crossed from the minor society into the Società Maggiore. The rules up here are different. The stakes are different. The knowledge is different. You now know things that could get people killed just for knowing. That is exactly the point. Level 5, the Gospel. You are sworn in with your hand on the Bible. The ceremony has the texture of a mass. It is not ironic. The Ndrangheta has always dressed itself in the church. Saints on the walls, prayers before meetings, God invoked over bloodshed. You are not a foot soldier. You are not a manager. You are something closer to a diplomat and an elder. You move across clan lines. You broker. You know names that never get spoken in public. The Italian state knows you exist. They just can't prove it. Level 6, the Godfather. You are someone's godfather, probably literally. You attended the baptism. You gave the gift. You are woven into the fabric of a family's life in a way that cannot be legally described or untangled. People come to you with problems that they cannot bring to the police, the courts, or the church. You resolve them. This is power that no paycheck can replicate and no election can grant. You are 5 levels above the men doing the work. You have not touched anything dirty in years. Everything around you looks clean. Level 7, the local boss. You direct criminal activity in your territory. You call meetings. You decide who gets in and who gets promoted. You resolve conflicts. Each locale has at least 49 members. They are all yours to manage, deploy, or sacrifice. You have a Mastro di Giornata who passes your orders downward, so your name is never spoken in connection with anything that happens. You have an accountant who handles the valigetta, the briefcase. You never touch the money directly. You are a CEO who cannot be sued, cannot be audited, and cannot be replaced by a board vote. Level 8, Most Holy Mother. The title sounds like a blessing. It is not a blessing. You are inside the highest architecture of the organization, a stratum so secret that it was only confirmed to exist after a major Italian state investigation in 2010. Even lower and middle-ranking members have only heard whispers about this level. They don't know where it meets, what is discussed, or who is a member. You are a rumor to the people who work for you.